But yeah, wrinkles, fine lines, you can totally avoid it. At least prevent it from happening to you by following this routine. Well, yes, the trick is to start early. Don't wait until you are 60 or when you have already developed wrinkles. So in this routine, we are going to be using 4 products. Kama Ayurveda Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser. Just pump this much amount out. Apply it to your wet face, then gently massage using your circular motion. Rinse, clean and pat dry. Next up is Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. So just spray this on your face. This has rose which is great for dry and aging skin. It also cleanses, purifies and tones skin. Alright, moving on. Next we have is Kama Ayurveda Eladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream. It got green cardamom, sesame seeds and coconut oil. Just take this much amount and apply it onto your skin. Move your hands like this. It smells nice and blends well. And yeah, you won't feel greasy at all. So the last product we have is Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid Night Serum from Kama Ayurveda. Take around 3-4 drops of this serum on your palm and apply it all over your face. Also massage it gently. Sleep on it for the night. Let your skin absorb it completely. Yeah, you're pretty much done. Aging kit from Kama Ayurveda only at Foxy. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. See you.